In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear the recent file history in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Whether you're looking to maintain privacy or simply want a cleaner workspace, removing your recent file history can help keep things organized and clutter-free. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open Adobe Acrobat Reader. Once the application is up and running, look towards the top of your screen and locate the Edit menu. With a click, a drop-down menu will appear, filled with various options. From this list, find and click on Preferences. This will open up a new window brimming with multiple categories. Don't let this overwhelm you. It's simpler than it looks. In the Preferences window, cast your gaze to the left panel, and you'll see a series of categories. Click on Documents. This is where we'll make the magic happen. As you look through the document options, you'll come across a setting labeled Documents in Recently Used List. This setting is key to managing your recent file history. Beside it, you'll find a box showing a number. This number represents how many recent documents Acrobat Reader displays. To clear your recent history, you want to set this number to 0. Simply click in the box, backspace the current number, and type 0. By adjusting this to 0, you instruct Adobe Acrobat Reader not to display any recent files, effectively clearing your history. If you're someone who uses the Home view in Adobe Acrobat Reader, you'll notice another area that displays your recent files. On the navigation pane, click on Home, and then you should see Recent as an option. Here, Adobe lists the files you've accessed most recently, making it convenient yet sometimes cluttered. You can manage this list easily too. You might want to remove some files individually rather than clear the entire list. Simply select the file or files you wish to remove, and then look for the option Remove from Recent. By selecting this, you can tidy up your list without losing all recent files at once. Alternatively, if your version of Acrobat Reader includes a Clear Recent button, go ahead and give it a click for a swift and thorough clean. Remember, these changes can help maintain a sense of privacy and encourage a more streamlined workspace. More importantly, they allow you greater control over your software environment, enabling you to work more efficiently and without distraction. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you found this guide helpful in keeping your Adobe Acrobat Reader experience clean and private. Stay tuned for more useful tips and tricks.